All is well in my world. Everything is working out for my highest good. Out of this situation only good will come. I am safe. It's only a thought, and a thought can be changed. The point of power is always in the present moment. Every thought we think is creating our future. I am in the process of positive change. I am comfortable looking in the mirror, saying, I love you, I really love you. It is safe to look within. I forgive myself, and set myself free. As I say yes to life, life says yes to me. I now go beyond other people's fears and limitations. I am divinely guided and protected at all times. I claim my power and move beyond all limitations. I trust the process of life. I am deeply fulfilled by all that I do. We are all family, and the planet is our home. As I forgive myself, it becomes easier to forgive others. I am willing to let go. Deep, at the center of my being, is an infinite well of love. I prosper wherever I turn. I welcome miracles into my life. Whatever I need to know is revealed to me at exactly the right time. I am loved, and I am at peace. My happy thoughts help create my healthy body. Life supports me in every possible way. My day begins and ends with gratitude. I listen with love to my body's messages. The past is over. Only good can come to me. I am beautiful, and everybody loves me. Everyone I encounter today has my best interests at heart. I always work with and for wonderful people. I love my job. Filling my mind with pleasant thoughts is the quickest road to health. I am healthy, whole, and complete. I am at home in my body. I devote a portion of my time to helping others. It is good for my own health. I am greeted by love wherever I go. Wellness is the natural state of my body. I am in perfect health. I am pain-free and totally in sync with life. I am very thankful for all the love in my life. I find it everywhere. I know that old, negative patterns no longer limit me. I let them go with ease. In the infinity of life where I am, all is perfect, whole, and complete. I trust my intuition. I am willing to listen to that still, small voice within. I am willing to ask for help when I need it. I forgive myself for not being perfect. I honor who I am. I attract only healthy relationships. I am always treated well. I do not have to prove myself to anyone. I come from the loving space of my heart, and I know that love opens all doors. I am in harmony with nature. I welcome new ideas. Today, no person, place, or thing can irritate or annoy me. I choose to be at peace. I am safe in the universe, and all life loves and supports me. I experience love wherever I go. I am willing to change. I choose to see clearly with the eyes of love. I release all drama from my life. Loving others is easy when I love and accept myself. I am in charge. I now take my own power back. I spend time with positive, energetic people. The more peaceful I am inside, the more peace I have to share with others. Today is a sacred gift from life. I release all negative thoughts of the past and all worries about the future. I forgive everyone in my past for all perceived wrongs. I release them with love. I only speak positively about those in my world. Negativity has no part in my life. I act as if I already have what I want. It's an excellent way to attract happiness in my life. My life gets better all the time. Perfect health is my divine right, and I claim it now. I am grateful for my healthy body. I love life. Love flows through my body, healing all disease. My income is constantly increasing. I deserve all that is good. I am constantly discovering new ways to improve my health. My life gets more fabulous every day. I trust the universe to help me see the good in everything and in everyone. I love my family members just as they are. I do not try to change anyone. There is plenty for everyone, and we bless and prosper each other. Life is good, and so it is.